After introducing the common commands, next, I introduce the unfrequently used commands. The first is rough offset. This is a brother command with offset. It is just to make an offset to get a rough shape. The precision of the offset surface depends on the stepover. There have some options that need to explain. The first is point cloud. It means it will generate the point cloud surface. Next is smooth surface. If we want to get a smoother surface after you offset, you can check this option. Final is trim boundary. We can see figure 2. If you uncheck it, it will according to the boundary of the surface generate the offset surface. Next, it's fillet open faces. This command is similar to the fillet command that creates the fillet surface between two faces. I will show more detail on the software operation. Okay, let's move on ZW3D to show more detail to you. There has a model as an example. Select it and set the offset distance. Select the offset direction. The stepover is the precision of the offset surface. The larger the value, the rougher the shape. Let's keep the stepover to 1 and check the effect. Next, we can modify the offset value to 100. You can see, the shape of the surface is mistier than before. And if I modify the value of the stepover to 10, it is mistier than the shape which the stepover is 1. When you check the smooth surface, the offset surface is more smooth than uncheck this option. When you check the trim the boundary option, the offset surface will like this. You can according to your requirements to check them. Next, it's fillet open face. This command is similar to the fillet command, but it just creates the fillet face. Run this command. Select the faces. There need to confirm the direction of the faces, and then set the radius value. There have 3 types in the cross-section type, the circular, conic and G2 blend. When you select the conic, you can set the conic ratio. When you select the G2 blend, the start weight and end weight can be set. But usually, we select the circular. The usage of the base face and fillet face is the same as the before mentioned fillet blend command. The base face has 4 types. Let's select the trim to watch its effect. The fillet face has 3 types: minimal, maximal, and tangent match. Select the maximal. The fillet face will match the edge of the maximal face. Select the minimal will match the edge of the minimal face. Select the tangent match that will match the edges of both 2 faces. After introducing rough offset and fillet open faces command, the rest of the commands will have a quick introduction because they are easy to use or easy to understand. The first is reverse direction, only used to reverse the display color of the surface. The set face direction is respecify the normal direction of the surface. The modify ISO line number is set the UV line's value in the surface. The reverse UV param spaces can exchange the UV direction. The join faces can merge 2 faces as 1 face. The merge face can merge the faces as a continuous face. The match edges can extend the edge of a face to another edge of a face or a curve. The match tangent can make 2 adjacent faces tangent. The modify control point can deform the shape in non-parametric. The smooth via FEM can make the surface more smooth. The unfold to plane can expand a surface into a plane. Okay, let's move on ZW3D to show more detail to you. First is reverse direction. We can reverse the face direction to change the face color. if the color of created surfaces is different. You can use this command to reverse the direction. Next, it's modify isoline number. Convert the visual type to the wireframe. You can see there is a line in the U direction and the V direction respectively. Modify the value to change the line value in the U direction or the V direction. The reverse UV param spaces command can reverse the U and V direction. Next, the join face can merge the two sewed surfaces. We can use the merge face to merge the selected surfaces into a whole face. Next, use these two faces to show the usage of the match edges. Select the basic face and then select the relevant edge and the curve which need to be connected. The edge and the curve will match automatically. Change another model to show you the match tangency command. Just select the corresponding faces and then confirm. These two faces will be tangent. The next model is for showing the smooth via FEM command. This model is sags and crests. It will be smooth after using the smooth via FEM command. Finally, the modify control point command is for the non-parametric design. I use this model to show you how to use this command. Click the command and select the model. You can see there show many points. Select the points that you want, and then confirm it. The selected points can be adjusted in their position. Finally, single-click the middle mouse to confirm the position. Okay, this is all the content of this video. Thanks for your watching.